An A1 Review Center Incorporated, iyon ang pinaka-enot na duly authorized nursing review center kan Commission on Higher Education.
A1 Review Center Incorporated started in 2004 as a partnership between us and Mr. Dennis Martinez. He was introduced to us by my sister who recently passed the board examination for nursing under his tutelage, and she had high praises for Mr. Martinez because she told us that Mr. Martinez is a very, very good lecturer, and not only that, he is a board top notcher not only in midwifery but also in nursing. At the same time, our niece, who also took the review with him, also not only passed the board exam but also topped the board exam. And with this qualifications and track record, we didn't hesitate to say yes to the partnership. And that was the beginning of the A1 Review Center. Soon after that, we've been producing lots of top-notchers from Bicol region.
A1 Review Center Incorporated is linked to other review center in the Bicol region because of our secret ingredients. And that includes evaluate every program. We have the lecturers, the facilities, and then the approach. One of the most important ingredients of A1 success is the passion. The passion from the administrator, the passion from our staff, and the passion from our lecturers, and the passion to give the best and the best review program to our fellow Bicolanos. We want to help the Bicolano people. We want to help the Bicolano shine.
Pistado ang A1 bilang #1 producer of Bicolano board placers and top-notchers ng mga kursong midwifery and nursing.
If you reviewed with A1, there's no reason for you to fail the board exams because we were so ready. A1 lecturers, competitive sila. We have board placers and then mga talagang up-to-date yung mga nile-lecture nila. Thank you so much, A1 Review Center, for taking care of us, for nurturing us, and for helping us develop the right attitude so that we will achieve what we have achieved now.
We are happy this time that we made it, but of course the honor, we share that to A1 Review Center. Nakapasa namin nursing graduates, pumunta dun sa office, and they paid a courtesy visit to me. And I asked them, ano ba, nakatulong ba yung enhancement natin na binigay ng A1? Sabi nila, yes, madam. And then when I asked them, ano ba, would you recommend that to the seniors now? Yeah, by all means, madam, please, because it really helped.
Congratulations, Miss Christine Ramos, 10th placer, Catanduanes State Colleges, A1 Review Center Incorporated, #1 in the Bicol region.
Dakulang naitabang kan A1 Review Center Incorporated sa mga reviewers pati man sa indang mga empleyado.
When I topped the board, A1 given me the chance and the opportunity to give lectures and to facilitate midwifery reviews. What makes the center unique is the program itself, because we really assist the students. Aside from that, we focus more on the attitude.
Pumasok ko sa A1, doon ko na-discover yung iba pang potential ko. So, yung A1, pinapadali nila yung mga concepts.
Ang sa indang mga competent na faculty and staff, ang saros sa mga major foundations kan A1 Review Center Incorporated.
I would like to thank the students who enrolled in A1 Review Center and their parents, and all the schools that have partnered with us, especially Dr. Asuncion Acentre and Dean Bebot Jordan of CSC, and Dr. Mancito Ilarde and Dean Martin Rivera of CSBC for their trust in our program. Thank you so much.